here's an interesting app called Flighty 3. It was just featured by App Store on Apple. Share your flying plans and status with loved ones, totally private and free. Never manually send flight info again. So here you can just install this app. It's like a live tracker, flight tracker app, where you just have more shareable functionality. So push alerts at the right time, detect disruptions first. You can track your plane, pilot grade data. You can get access to all these traffic control details, automatic syncing, crazy detailed. So yeah, and then you can just see here, and then you can just view some random flight, departs on time. You can see the details, for example, gate departure in 1 hour 16 minutes, and then so where it you can see all the terminal gate, where it comes from, where it arrives. You can activate alerts. Also, you can pass the booking code, for example, and then you can, I don't know for which flights you can do that, but that's what you can see here. So you can also upgrade to Flighty Pro, unlimited annual, just $4 per month, $48 annually. You can also pay $249 for a lifetime. So yeah, you can just see where's your plane, and just nice, interesting tracking app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you can also add your name, edit your profile, just add your name, for example, add your profile picture, add your flight log, and then you Flighty passport. You can see your all-time passport. You can share it on Instagram stories, messages, photos, more, and you can also enable something like that. So it looks pretty cool. And then it has even this space effect, and you can then just add some of your flights. Your flights. So something like that. Then you can also track friends' flights, just landed, basics, everything, like how your friends are flying. Then there are all different extensions like live activities, lock screen widget, home screen widget, app icon. You can customize it. So yeah, all of these things, pretty well developed app. And then you can just find it like this, and then you can select the flight, so then you can just see the status, for example. So it's pretty cool app. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And so that's what it is. I hope you like the idea of this app and you will try it out.